Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how to connect Google Analytics account with your WordPress website step by step without any problem or without any technical knowledge. So first of all, let's understand what is Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a free of cost tool provided by Google itself to track the visitors coming onto your website or maybe mobile application and to track their activity, like what they are doing, on which page they are visiting most, on which page they are spending how much time, from where they are coming, which location they have, right, which browser they are using, and multiple stuff. So if you are doing digital marketing on your website and you want to track how your users are performing or behaving on your WordPress website, then you should not avoid Google Analytics as one of the major important marketing tool, right? So in this video, we will use the Google Analytics tool to track all the users activity on our website. But first we need to create an account and we need to connect with our WordPress website. If you already have a Google ad account, you can skip this video to the second part. I have given the timestamp in the description below, so you can directly jump onto the section. But if you don't have Google Analytics account yet, then follow this step as it is and you will be able to do it by the end of this video. So let's go to Google first. Let's go to Google, and here you will need to simply search for Google Analytics. Google Analytics. And in order to create a free account on Google Analytics, all you need is a free Google ID, or that is Gmail ID. If you don't have that Gmail ID, go and create one. I have already one. So after searching Google Analytics, click on the first link. And here you will see sign in to Google Analytics or get started today. So you can click anywhere. We will click on get started today. Once you click on get started today, it will redirect you to the Google Analytics window, provided that you are already signed in with your Gmail account. So we have already signed in with our Gmail account here. If you don't have, if you are not already signed in, then you need to sign in first. Then click on start measuring. Once you click on start measuring, it will ask you to create an account. So account details, provided a name. So we will provide a name here. So we will say Learn WP. That is the name of the account that you want to give. You can give any name to your account. Don't worry, it won't be visible to the user. Then account data sharing and settings. By default, some of the options are checked, some of the options are not. You can check all the options and then click on next. Then here you need to create a property. Guys, please understand, if you have an account and if you have multiple websites, you can use the same Google Analytics account to create or to integrate with multiple website or multiple web, mobile application. You are not supposed to create multiple Google Analytics account in order to use with multiple website or mobile application. So property name, learnwp.co.in. So here we get name. Reporting time zone, it means the time zone which I have in my country, that is India. So I'll choose India. By default, it will take India. Currency, I need to measure in INR. So that is rupees, Indian rupees. And then click on next. There are some advanced options as well, but as of now, you can just skip them. Business detail, what kind of business you have. So you need to select the industry. So as of now, we have education industry, jobs in education. And we have, let's say, small business. Click on next. Now choose your business objective. What exactly I want to achieve using Google Analytics, maybe Google leads, online sales, raise brand awareness, examine user behavior, get baseline report. So you can select any of these, not a problem. So I want to select all these things because I want to achieve all these things. And once you select get baseline report, so it means you will get all the data. So select these 4 ones and then click on create. Don't worry, it is not something that if you selected leads, then you will not get other option. No, you will get all the options. Now terms and condition, here select your country. So we select for India and scroll down and click on this accept terms and conditions. So you need to scroll down to the last, and when you scroll down also, so there are 2 checkboxes that you need to accept and then click on I accept. So these are the terms and conditions that you need to accept. Now the final step is to integrate. So it says start collecting data. How do you want to integrate this with your website, with your Android application, or with your iOS application? Right now we have a website with us. So we'll choose the web, click on web. And now here you need to enter your URL. By default, the HTTP or HTTPS is already there. So we will just copy the main URL here. So from here we will just copy our domain. So learnwp.co.in. So we'll just copy from here, come back to Google Analytics and then paste it here, right? And you can give stream name, that is learnwp. Now create stream, click on create stream. Once the stream is created, now a custom JavaScript code will be provided to you, which you need to add in your website header. So this is the web stream details. Now from here, we need a code, that is this one. So we need to install it manually. So we'll just copy this, come back to the WordPress dashboard, install a lightweight plugin. So we will go to the add new plugin option. We will leave this screen and here we will simply add a small plugin which is named as WP code. So as soon as you search for WP code, it will give you a plugin which will help you to insert the code into your header and footer. So this is the plugin name, that is WP code. WP code insert header and footer custom code WordPress code manager. So just click on install now. And once the installation is finished, you can simply activate this plugin. So installation is done. Now click on activate. And once the plugin is activated, you will see an option of WP code on the left hand side of your WordPress dashboard, something here, that is code snippets, here header and footer. So I need to paste this code in my header section. So this was a dummy code. So let me paste it here. So I have pasted and now click on save changes. Come back to Google Analytics account and now I need to test whether the code is properly added or not. So I click on test. Now it is testing the connection. And if there is any problem, it will tell me that it is not properly added or it is not able to fetch. That is a green mark. It means it is properly connected. Once it is connected, now I can close this window, and then it will redirect me to the home page of the Google Analytics account. So just click on this Learn WP just click on next. And then data collection is pending. As soon as you connect the Google Analytics account, it takes some time to collect the data that if any visitor is coming onto your website or not. In order to see, we will check whether it is collecting the data in real time. So there is another option called real time as well. So here from real time, I can see if it is collecting the data. So in real time, it should show the one at least, because I have already opened my website. So let me open this website in other browser as well, in incognito mode as well. So I'll just go to new incognito window and I'll paste it here. So now I have technically two accounts, two browsers open, two windows open. Now come back to my previous one and let me go to the analytics and let me see if it is detecting my users. Yes, it has started detecting. You can see it is showing that there are 2 page views currently on real time. It means there are 2 people, or there are users on my website, and it is able to detect. By the time more and more users will be coming onto the website, the data will be keep updating, and you can explore this tool more and more. So that's how you can connect Google Analytics account with your WordPress website step by step without any technical knowledge. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, you know the drill. You need to like this video, subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon so that you never miss an update whenever we upload a new video on our YouTube channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.